Okay folks, that last video left us off making the number line for our box and whisker. And remember, I want my box and whisker to always, the smallest number that I put on the number line to be lower than my minimum, and then the largest number I put on the number line to be bigger than my maximum. So I just have room to put everything in there, okay? Now, let's go ahead and plot the point. Oh, wait, I'm not ready yet. Hang on, let's just see, there's 20. That's going to be 40. Let's go ahead and cut those things in half for the 25s, 35s, 45s, that's it. All right, so I know 22 is here. I know 26 about right there. 34 is up here. 40 on that dot. And then 43 is about right there, okay? Now, I don't know about you guys, but I kind of like drawing a little line down here. All right, like this. Just give myself, the number line helps me scale my box and whisker, okay? And I'm going to put a dot, I'm going to draw a line from end to end and put dots here. And remember, my box, it goes around the middle three, those quartiles, okay? And I've got to label it. So remember, this was 22. Let me go back up so I can see it. 22, this was 26, this one was 34, this one is 40, and this is 43, okay? So the numbers kind of spread out, really, you know? I mean, the box is almost as big as the whiskers, you know? So, all right, let's look at the next one. Let's see. In exercises 10 and 11, use the data below. Okay, list the coordinate points you will use to draw a scatter plot. So what they want us to do is to write these as ordered pairs, okay? So I'm going to do negative 22 and negative 30. I'll do negative 13 and negative 25. I'll do 23 and negative 5. I'll do 32 and 0 and 50 and 10. All right, I got some big numbers here for this graph, don't I? Now it says draw the scatter plot and discuss its meaning. Okay. Well, my biggest x is 50 and my smallest x is negative 22. Okay. So let's see. My biggest y is going to be, or my smallest y is negative 30 and my biggest y is 10. Okay. So I'm going to go about like this, and that'll help, okay? I don't know, let's see. Let's make this 10, 20, that's negative 30, right here on the x side. And then that's going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All right, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Remember, I'm just using the stuff that they gave me in the table of values. The y's, about the same, let's see. That's negative 10, that's negative 20, negative 30, negative 40. Goes up, let's see, that's going to be 10, 20. I didn't stick negative 10 for the y because it's kind of close to the other stuff. I didn't want to confuse it. All right, so let's see. If x is negative 22, remember I always do my left to right first, so I go back to 22 and down to 30. So about right here, okay? Negative 13 is going to be about right there, and then I go down to 25, okay? So that's about right here. 23 and negative 5, so that's about right here, right? Okay? And then 32 and 0, maybe right here? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, that's about right. Uh-huh. And then 50 and 10, about right here. So as Fahrenheit increases, right? This is Fahrenheit and this is Celsius. As Fahrenheit gets bigger, so does Celsius. In fact, it makes kind of a line, doesn't it? Nice. Nice. I like that. The key thing, guys, that you need to know how to do here is to get the points from the table of values and be able to plot them and make a graph. Okay? Now, let's see what the next problem is. I don't know if we'll be able to get started on it before this video ends, but I can read it. The areas of the continents in millions of square miles are Africa, 11.7. You know what? I can't read it that fast. We'll pick this one up on the next video, all right?